Exception handling in servlet. This video elaborate exception handling in servlet. Many chances for occurrence of exception. Example: requested resource not found. For an application, exception handling is must. Few ways to handle the exception servlet: using the web.xml file, using a request dispatcher, using the send error method of HTTP servlet response, using web application log, using the set status method of HTTP servlet response. Diagrammatic representation of exception handling technique. This is browser and request sends to the servlet clause and get servlet context log and read the web.xml file like that. See, using web.xml file, use the element of error page element in the web.xml file to handle the errors in the web application. Their sub element is error code, exception type and location. Error code to specify the type of error. Location, URL of the file. Sample web.xml file look like this. Error code 500. It is location is error.html file. Also define an exception type and corresponding file location elements. This is sample code. Exception type, for example java.lang.number format exception, and location error.html file. Using request dispatcher, forward the request to the different resource, mostly an error page. Using the send error method of HTTP servlet response to send an error page to the browser. String message equal to exception occurred due to internal server error like that. Response or send error method look like this. Respond or string message can be ignored and corresponding file will be executed. Using web application log also. Handle the exception using the log file presented in the web application. If an exception occurs, the exception event can be added in the log file. Log method is available in generic servlet class, servlet context class. Example: contest.log servlet exception occurred, exception.getMessage. GetMessage method. Using the set status method of HTTP servlet response, handle the exception by using the status code. Does not generate any error pages. Set status method set the status code. If the responsibility is already committed, then a call to this method has no value. Default status code is 200 OK. 5 generally categories of that status codes. 100 to 199 indicate informational, 200 to 299 indicate successful, 300 to 399 indicate redirection, 400 to 499 indicate incomplete or file error, 500 to 599 indicates server error. Sample code like response asset status method and giving the constant value. Exception handle technique play a significant role in real-time application.